So this was what I got from Amazon. This is what I got from Home Depot. So we're gonna see if this one works. This one didn't work. And so I have a Chamberlain LiftMaster Professional Formula One garage door opener. We're gonna see if it works. All right, let's see what's in the box. I never open boxes correctly. Ooh. All right. So when you open the box, there it says Chamberlain. And it comes with the clip and a battery. So it takes one of those lithium batteries. So I'm not gonna put the clip on